Hello everyone. In this video I am going to solve question number 6 and 7 of exercise 13.7 of chapter number 13 surface area and volumes from NCERT test book. So we have question number 6. The volume of right circular cone is 9856 centimeter cube. If the diameter of the base 28 centimeter, then find first height of the cone, in second part slant height of the cone, and third CSI of the cone. Okay. So we have volume of right circular cone and diameter of the base. Okay. So diameter of the base is given. Diameter of the base is given 28 centimeter. Then we know radius is half of the diameter. So this is 28 divided by 2 equal to 14 centimeter. Radius equal to 24 centimeter. And also we have volume. Volume is given. Its volume is given. Means volume of right circular cone is given. Volume of cone is given. Volume of cone is given, which is 9856 centimeter cube. 9856 centimeter cube. Okay, we know the formula. Volume of cone 1 by 3 pi r square h equal to 9856 centimeter cube. Okay. So here using the value of pi, which is 22 by 7. So this is 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into radius is 14. So write 14 centimeter into 14 centimeter, and height we need to find. The first part we have to find height. Okay, we need to find height of the cone. So this is h equal to 9856 centimeter cube. Okay. Now 14 divided by 7 in 2 times. Okay. And to find height, so 9856 multiplied by 3 and divided by 22 by 2 into 14. Okay. So this is 2 4 ja 8, 2 9 ja 18, 2 2 ja 4, 2 8 ja 16. Okay. And again this is 7 2 ja 14, and this is 7 7 ja 49, and 7 4 ja 28. Okay. And again this is divided by 2 3 ja 6, 2 5 ja 10, 2 2 ja 4. And again this is 11 2 ja 22, and this is 11 3 2, and is equal to 16. So h equal to the height of the cone. Now 3 multiplied by 16, 48. H equal to 48 centimeter. The height of the cone, the required height of the cone is 48 centimeter. Okay. And second part, we need to find its length height. This is the first part. Okay. So we have to find the first part, required height, and next we need to find its length height. So we know the relationship L square equal to R square plus H square. So this is L equal to under root R is 14. So this is 14 square plus 48 square. And 14 square is 196 plus 48 square is 2304. 2304, and this is overall 2500. Okay, this is overall 2500, which is equal to 50 centimeter. Okay, so slant height is 50 centimeter. The required slant height of cone is 58 centimeter. And in third part, we need to find its CSA, curved surface area of cone. Okay, so CSA of cone equal to pi RL. So this is 22 by 7. And radius is 40 centimeter, and slant height here find out 50. So this is 7 to the 14. This is 44 multiplied by 50 centimeter square, and this is 0.22. So the required curved surface area of the cone is 2200 centimeter square, means 2200 centimeter square. This is required curved surface area of cone. Okay. Okay, children. Now move to the question number 7. Question number 7. Okay. In question number 7, we have a right triangle ABC. In question number 7, a right triangle ABC with side 5, 12, 13. With sides 5 centimeter, 12 centimeter, and 13 centimeter. This side 12, 5, 12, 13 centimeter is revolved about the revolve about the side 12 centimeter. About the side 12 centimeter. Find the volume of the solid so obtained. Then find the volume, the solid so obtained. Okay. So dear children, in this question we have first a right angle triangle ABC. This is a right triangle initially A, B, C. Okay, we have 5 centimeter, and this is given 30 centimeter, and this is given 12 centimeter. Now we have to set to revolve the right angle triangle ABC about the side 12 centimeter. Then we need to find the volume, the solid so obtained. If you revolve this right angle triangle about the side 12 centimeter, so a right circular cone is obtained. Okay, a right circular cone obtained of radius 5 centimeter. Okay, this is obtained. This is 13 centimeter and radius is 5 centimeter, and this height is given 12 centimeter. Okay, so radius R equal to 5 centimeter, length height become 30 centimeter, and height become of the solid equal to 12 centimeter. Then we have to ask find its volume. So volume equal to volume of the solid is cone equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. So this is 1 upon 3 into 22 by 7, and radius is 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter into 5 centimeter, and height is 12 centimeter. So this is 3 4 12. Okay, now multiply 22 by, okay, so here no need to put the value of pi. Okay, right, this is answer comes in pi form. So pi into 5 centimeter into 5 centimeter, and height is 12. So 3 4 12. Now multiply 5 by 5 into 4. So we get 100 pi centimeter cube. This is the required volume of the solid so obtained this cone, 100 pi centimeter cube.